So first function, we have a user screen, two possible ways to do it. Choose from an existing user or enter the username. So now we have our main tab where most of the stuff takes place. You have the option to open an image, drop down menu of all the possible options. You can then later on, once you process it, you can download it as 3 different image types. And there's also previous and next image buttons. So the first thing I want to show you is just to manage images. So once I have images associated with my username, they'll pop up here along with all the metadata once I click on the image. So now I want to start with opening a single image. So I'm going to go to test images. I'm going to just open this grayscale image right here. So as you can see, the pretty lady appears. So now we're going to choose an option. So we'll do reverse video since it's pretty distinct, so we can really show that it works. Then we hit process, and then boom, perfect. It's processed, it's there. As you can see now, we can download it as a JPEG, for example. And to check that it worked, I would like to show you the final thing. So you can see it's saved here as grayscale reverse video.jpg. And there it is. Now, I would also just, want to show that you can also get the histogram by clicking on this button. And as you can see, here are the histograms for the process and the original image. There's only one channel in each image since it is a grayscale. So then you can return back. So now if you look at the manage images, you can see that I processed this image, so it appears in this tab. I can click on it, get all the metadata, including image size, what was done, when it was uploaded, and time to process. Then you can also see at the same time I can remove it by clicking remove image, deleting it from the database. Now I also want to show the capabilities that it can handle multiple image files. So I'm going to select 3 files, and I'm going to open them all. So the first one is a picture of a cat. When I click next, it'll be this image, and then next we'll bring it back, and next will bring me back to the cat. Previous works in the same way, so as you can see, just cycles through. Now I'm going to hit click process. 3 images, so it takes a second. Okay, beautiful. So now we have our cat, which looks pretty demented. And then if we hit next, we get the next one, which pretty solid. And then next brings us back to the one before. Now if you want to get the histograms for any of them, we just click it on each image. So now we have, since we're dealing with multiple channels, since it's no longer just a grayscale, there's 3 for each one. And if we go back to here, we do the same thing. And now we get this one's image. And then this one, again, we'll get the same thing as we saw before. So now if we want to download it, we can download specifically this one image. So I'm going to choose this one. So you can see download. Then boom, it appears right here. And that works for all 3 images. Now I'm going to also show you the download all feature. So you can click download all, and then all 3 images will be downloaded. And then if I click zip together and download, it'll be downloaded as a zip file. So as you can see now there's 3 images, and they're all reversed video images, and the zip file reflects that. And then if you go to manage images, all 3 images will show up with the associated metadata. And again, all of them can be cleared. That's a little demo of how our processor works.